All right, welcome, man. It's part two. We don't call this part two. What I got instructions here. Got some new torque converter bolts and everything. But look, what I want to cover in part two is a lot of a procedure that a lot of people leave out, including mechanics. On every 2011 on up Dodge Grab Caravan, I can almost guarantee you there's an update to the transmission. That's right, an update. An update in the form of a computerized update, an electronically update. Not like clutches and update stuff like that, but an electronically update in the form of a flash update, computerized flash. So what the mechanic or technician essentially do is go in and wipe out the calibrations of your TCM and put in new calibration with all the changes. That's one of the questions that I will have to fill out and verify that I did when I installed this transmission. I'm gonna have to check this box stating that I verified that all the updates were done on it. Now the updates can be done. Sometimes updates will prevent trans problems because it's a shift improvement update. Again, all the 62 TE on the minivan have an update. So basically when you go to get your transmission service, hopefully in a dealership, because that's probably the only place that can flash update your controller, unless a shop has a subscription with Chrysler, just ask them to verify if your transmission is up to date. What they're gonna do is look at the part number and base it on a Chrysler part number and verify is it up to date, and if not, they should update it. I do that on every trans service. I verify the transmission is up to date. Again, pretty much only dealerships can do that, you know, unless you got a subscription. But that is, I don't know what they're changing, probably shift improvement. They're changing the way it shift. They're changing the way it downshift. All those are upgrades that engineers come together and deem necessary to improve the quality of this transmission. All right, so after that, man, like every 60,000 you get your trans service, go ahead and flash update it. I'm gonna have to verify that this new one that I'm installing is update, and then so that should last a long time. The life of the car, actually, man, because from here on out, she should just service a transmission every 60,000 miles. Because keep in mind that fluid, ATF4, should never break down. It's a lifetime fluid. According to Chrysler, it never breaks down. Essentially, parts come apart before the fluid break down, which makes the fluid look like it's been broken down, when in essence it's just parts came apart. All right, I don't want this video to be long. I got to install this transmission. I can't vlog and install it. I can do it when I was taking it out, but it's kind of hard to do it while I install it. So that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching part two of 62 TE transmission installation. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Let me put this transmission in. It should take no more than what, 40-50 minutes to bolt everything up, torque converter, put all the mounts and brackets and stuff back on. I'll be out of here. Thanks for watching.